So now I'm going to explain. Now I'm going to explain about eighth question. So if 3 cot A equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta equals to cos square theta minus secant square theta. Then for this solution is cot A is equals to 4 by 3. Cot A equals to 4 by 3. Then write tan. First write tan A. Tan A. So for this opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So let us consider a right angle triangle for this. A, B, C. Right angle triangle. So theta is at A. Then it will be 4 by 3. So it will be adjacent by opposite. So here adjacent by opposite, then becomes here theta means it becomes 4 here adjacent, and BC is opposite 3. So this is adjacent, this is opposite, and we need to find hypotenuse. So already we know that to find the hypotenuse we have a formula that Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square plus is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So we have this formula. So according to that we go with formula for hypotenuse square is equals to what is opposite square? Adjacent opposite square c square plus 4 square, then it will be 9 plus 16. So hypo square is equals to 25. Then hypo is equals to root 25. Root 25 can be done as 5 centimeters. So hypo is equals to 5. If you got 5 centimeters, hypo is equals to how much? 5 centimeters. This is the hypotenuse. Now you want the formula of tan A. Then tan A is equals to 3 by 4. Then what is the cos A? Cos A is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. So it will be adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Then you want value of sin A. Sin A is equals to how much? Opposite by hypotenuse. So it will be almost, it will be it will be 3 by 5. Now substitute here 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A means 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, then 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16. If you do into 16 by 1 into 16 into 16, then you will get the answer is 16 minus 9 by 16 by 16 plus 9 by 16. So answer will be 9 means in the sense of 7 by 16 by 25 by 16. 16 get cancelled. Answer will be 7 by 25. So LHS, this side is LHS, this side is LHS, this is called LHS, this is called RHS. LHS equals to 7 by 25. Now we need to prove RHS. So cos square minus sin square A. So what is meant by cos square A means cos square A, how much? 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. So 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25 is equals to 7 by 25. Okay, you got also same. So now RHS is equals to 7 by 25. So both are same. RHS equals to LHS. Okay, RHS equals to LHS are same. Okay, that's it. You can write here LHS equals to RHS. Don't write any proved anything else. Just write LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Okay, that's it. I hope you got this. Next, I'm going for next question. It will be ninth one. Ninth question. Find if ABC right angle at B, ABC right angle at B, if tan A equals to 1 by root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, cos A cos A sin cos C minus sin A sin C. So what we have to do is first divide into 2 equals this one. I'm writing here first what they given is tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan A equals to 1 by root 3. Right angle at B. So tan A root 3 is equals to how much? Tan 30. Tan 30. Therefore A is equals to 30. By comparing you got A equals to 30. Don't do opposite adjacent. It will be very easy for you if you like write like this. Okay. Tan A. So tan A is equals to, that's what I am telling, tan A by 2. Tan A equals to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 according to the trigonometric equations. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So tan 30. Tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3. They given tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. So what is the value of theta? Theta equals to root theta equals to 30. Okay, theta equals to 30. Theta equals to 30. Then right angle at B. Almost he said that the right angle at B. He said the right angle at B. Then you are going to get B. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees almost. Then according to sum of the angles in a triangle, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Then A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. Then what do you want? C. Angle A equals to 30 degrees. Angle B equals to 90 degrees. If you want angle C equals to 180. Then C equals to 180 minus 120. So C is equals to 60 degrees. C equals 60 degrees. You got this? C equals to 60 degrees. Now let us write here. First question, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So sin A means sin 30 cos 60 plus cos A means cos 30 then sin 60. Write the value of same. That is a very important. If you have the values, if you thorough with these values, you can able to solve each and every question. Are you getting? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. That's it. Daily morning, early morning, you have to buttify it by heart. This you can easily get this. So what is a sin 30 value? Sin 30 is equals to how much? Sin 30 value equals to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. See 1 by 2. Then cos 60 value same as it is. What is the value of cos 60? Cos. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. Plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Let's see here. Cos 30 value. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Next 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3. 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. The answer will be 1. Okay, the answer will be 1. Next, second one is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So what is the value of cos A? A is 30. Cos 30 cos 60 minus sin 30 sin 60. So cos 30, what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sin 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is root 3 by 2. Did you notice here? So what is the value? Cos 30 is equals to sin 60. Sin 60 is equals to cos 30. Okay, it is equal. So 3 into 1 is 3, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Okay, so plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 cancel. Answer is 0. Are you getting? Answer is 0. First one you got 1. For second one the answer is 0. I hope you got this. Okay, I did here tan A equals to tan 30 equal chesa. I did what I did here is tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan A equals tan 60. So A equals to 30. B equals to 90. A plus B plus C equals 180. So A is 30. From tan they given right angle at B. Right angle at B means B. You can take B. We can select B is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, now in a triangle there will be angle A plus angle B plus C equals to 180. 30 plus 90 plus C equals 180. So you will got this here 60. Okay. They have second method also. Second method is, what is the second method is? You have to find the opposite by adjacent. What is the second method is? Just second method is also there. That is tan A equals to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. You have to find the hypotenuse. Then you can do like this also. Okay. I think this is a better way. Okay. Next we are going for 10th question. We are going for next question. So we are going for 10th question. Already I wrote each and every question. That's why I am in this I wrote every question of 8.2 question. Next 8.2 each and every question. It is very easy. According to the exercise I am going to upload the videos. Okay, each and every question I wrote, and also I wrote previous year's question papers also for you. Trigonometry previous years important questions, CBSE 2010, 2011, 2018, 2015 questions, each and everything else. These are from CBSE, that R.D. Sharma questions. All this important questions, previous year questions are all from R.D. Sharma questions. So I am coming with total syllabus of NCERT of each exercise, each and every one exercise except optional one. Okay, are you getting? So I am going to explain 10th question now. Triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQ is equals to, now if they given like this you have to take, let's consider triangle here, make two half, because it will be very easy for you to represent A, B, to represent the what I meant to say, that question. Okay, so ABC, sorry, PQR, PQR represent PQR here. If PQR is here, represent question is here PQR. Okay, PQR is here. Let us take PQR. The given PQ is 5 centimeters. PQ is 5 centimeters. Then PQ plus R. You don't know this. Let us take this as X. This is Y. What are the given? PQ plus PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeters. Therefore X plus Y is equals to 25 centimeters. If you want this X is hypotenuse. X is called as hypotenuse. Okay, here sin P is there. That's why I am taking theta here. P, where they are giving that theta, we have to assume that as theta. ఓకే, అడ్జసెంట్. సో ఎక్కడైతే పి అని ఇస్తున్నారో దాన్ని ఏమనుకోవాలి మనం? టీటా అనుకోవాలి. ఇది అడ్జసెంట్, ఇది ఆపోజిట్, ఇది హైపోటెనస్. So 25 minus y, put them as equation 1. Consider them as equation 1. Okay, equation 1. Next, let us, according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square, y square plus adjacent square. Then what is hypotenuse square here? If you consider this, PR square, PR whole square is equals to PQ whole square plus QR whole square, nothing there. Or we are writing opposite as nothing else. Okay, don't feel that sir you are writing opposite here QR. Don't mind, this is only opposite, this is only adjacent. Okay, don't mind. Next, what is the PR value? PR value is x square. What is PQ value is 5 square. What is QR value is y square. Y square, are you getting? I hope you got this. I are getting. PR equals x square, y square, 5 square plus y square. Now x square, what is x value? 25 minus 5 whole square is equals to 25 plus y square. Okay, now let us take expand a minus b whole square formula. It is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore 25 whole square plus y square minus 2 into 25 into y is equals to 25 plus y square. 25 plus y square. Okay, 25 plus y square. Now 625 plus y square minus 50y minus 25 minus y square is equals to 0. Okay, I am considering plus y square minus y square plus y square get cancelled. Okay, next I am writing here minus 50y. So 625 minus 25, 625 minus 25, 625 minus 25. So 625 minus 25. So 625 minus 25. What you are going to get is 625 minus 25 is 600. So plus 600 is equals to 0. So minus 50y is equals to minus 600. Minus get cancelled, 600 by 50. So 0 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5, 12 are 12 5 is 60. So y equals to 12. If you got the y value, then substitute y equals to 12 in equation 1. Equation 1. Therefore x equals to 25 minus y. Therefore x equals to 25 minus y is how much? Y equals to 12. So x equals to 13. Okay, x equals 13, y equals to 12. X equals to 13, y equals to 12 centimeters. Must mention this centimeter. If not, they are not going to award the marks for you. Measurements are very important max. Then if you got this now, yeah, let us take sin p. Sin p equals to, what is that? Opposite by hypotenuse. So sin p, sin p equals opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? Opposite is y by hypotenuse is x. What is y? 12. Hypotenuse is 13. That's it. Okay, then you want cos p. Cos p value is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent value? Adjacent value is 5. Hypotenuse is 13. Okay, then go with tan p. Tan p equals to opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite here? Opposite will be y by adjacent is 5. So what is y here? Y is 12. 12 by 5. Okay, opposite. Okay, are you getting? These are they ask the values. Okay, tan p is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is y by 5, that is 12 by 5. Cos p equals to adjacent by hypotenuse 5 by 12, 13. Sorry, sin p equals to opposite hypotenuse y by x, that is 12 by 13. Okay, these are the values. Okay, next. So this is the total value what I got here is tan p equals to 12 by 5, cos p is equals 13 by 5, cos p is equals 13 by 5. Okay, next exercise number 2 I'm going to upload in next video. Just now I told each and every exercise I'm going to upload in different videos, so keep watching this. Don't forget to share the videos. If you like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel by clicking on a bell icon. Why? Because you will get the notification whenever I upload the videos. Okay, and also if you like the video, share the videos for your friends, I hope. Okay, thank you for subscribing.